Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to the Do-It-Yourself Del's YouTube channel. Today we've got a fun and slightly unconventional twist on a classic appetizer. Friday's potato skins, bacon and cheddar. But here's the kicker. I'm going to scrape off the bacon because I'm a vegetarian, and we're going to see how these potato skins stack up without it. Let's get started. And they look delicious. The packaging is enticing. You can see those golden potato skins with a bite of bacon on top. Of course, we're going to make a little modification. Here's one that we've already done. I'll take a little bite just to... Not bad. Okay. And here it shows up how we do that with the dull side of the knife. Take the bacon off. As you can see, it's still steaming. They're still pretty hot. Let's dive in and try these potato skins without the bacon. Incredibly tasty. Potato skins are crispy on the outside and wonderfully fluffy on the inside. Cheese is melty and gooey. The sour cream and chives add a nice contrast. So even without the bacon, these are a delightful snack or appetizer. While the bacon does add a smoky and savory flavor, I'm not missing it too much. The potato skins themselves bring a lot of flavor to the table, and the cheese, sour cream, and chives offer a creamy and tangy balance. It's a satisfying combination. One thing I love about potato skins is their versatility. You can customize them to your taste, so if you're a vegetarian like me, you can enjoy them without bacon. And if you're on a meat-loving endeavor, you can have them with bacon. In conclusion, TGIF Friday's potato skins with bacon are a delicious appetizer that can easily be modified to suit various dietary preferences. Even without bacon, these potato skins are a crowd pleaser, and they're perfect for parties, game nights, or just as a tasty snack. This wraps up our unique take on TGIF Friday's potato skins, bacon and cheddar. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more food reviews and creative culinary ideas. How do you like your potato skins, with bacon or without? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.